you're looking for a great thigh exercise, plie squats are where it's at. So plie squats are going to work your quads, inner thighs, even around a little bit into your hamstrings at the back of your legs. So start this movement. You're going to have your feet just a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Toes are turned out at a 45-degree angle. Chest is lifted and hips are slightly rotated under. And from here, you're going to be squatting straight down and back up. So sit back into the movement while you keep your chest lifted. And you can do this one with or without weight. Toes are again turned out just a little bit to the side. Lower abs are nice and tight, and you're squatting back down and up. Down and up. So watch with this movement that you don't allow your knees to buckle in. You want to keep pressing outwards throughout the plie squat, so you're pushing your knees out a little bit there. If you want to add weight to this movement, you can hold a dumbbell or barbells. I also love putting this one into a Smith machine. It really keeps you straight up and down. And that is a plie squat.